Dear viewers, you are welcome to today's presentation. Today we are going to learn a new topics, that is business plan. How to make a business plan one by one or step by step. This lecture is important for BBA, MBA student as same as as business faculty students. So if you like this lecture, please like, share and subscribe. So let's we start. Okay. The name of today's business plan is Tea House. So what is our business? Tea house. So we will sell tea. Company overview. Tea house is a startup business on a well-known location in Gulshan. Gulshan is the oil city area, urbanized area of Dhaka city in Bangladesh. Primary focus is in the different kinds of loose tea. That means primarily we want to sell loose tea or raw tea. We serve our tea hot and ice. Our mission statement. Every business has the mission and vision. So we have same mission and vision, and it is the strategy of business. So the mission of tea house is to serve variety of tea with different flavors and taste, and want to inspire and forecast and foster consumption of tea among people to keep them energized. At the recent stage, we will only operate in Dhaka city, and later on we'll plan to expand in elsewhere. That means primarily we will establish a tea house in Dhaka city, Gulshan area. After that we will expand our outlet elsewhere, any different districts or different areas. So this is our mission statement. So vision, what is our vision? To establish the tea house as a well-known brand. Our vision is we will establish tea house as a well-known brand that offers variations of tea, so that whenever people think of tasting tea, they come visit our bar to have variations in the taste of tea. Product, what we will sell? Black tea. The leaves of the Camellia sinensis are plucked and to make into black tea. Black tea contains more caffeine and less antioxidant. Common varieties include Darjeeling, Assam and Ceylon. Green tea. Our next product is green tea. Green tea contains more vitamins and black tea than black tea. Green tea contains more vitamin than black tea. Wonderful source of antioxidant. We will sell loose pack of green tea. Green flavored. We will sell loose pack of green tea. Green tea can be flavored with many different foods, blossoms and scents. We were planning to provide green chai, angel's kiss and wild cherry sencha. Jasmine tea. Jasmine has been known to relax and revive the body and mind. We'll sell jasmine silver needle as well as jasmine dragon flowers, jasmine pearls and the superb jasmine silver tea. So masala tea, we will use different kinds of herb to make the tea flavored. This recipe is unique, common in home, but we will modify this a little bit and offer to our consumers. Will change or will modify. Iced tea. This will be in our regular menu. In summer, we will modify the recipe and offer several varieties. That means iced tea will be popular in the summer season due to hot season. Gift basket and snacks. There will be a range of sweet every budget and every taste. We will also offer snacks such as pastries, fruits, and some others to accompany the tea order. When people want to take tea, they also can take shingara, samosa, biscuit, or something different something. So that is why we will now we will discuss SWOT analysis. No, it is not SWOT analysis. Environment analysis. In an organization, or if we want to establish a new business, we have to analyze the environment. That is within the organization environment and outside of the organization environment. So it is our new business. That is why new business we want to analysis outside of the environment. That is PEST, political, legal, economic, and technological analysis. This analysis is very important. Political and legal force. Political instability is the biggest barrier. Customer switching cost. Switching cost is low. Economic forces. GDP growth rate is now 6.7 and going upwards. Income of middle to upper class population is growing. Technological forces. Use of internet will help in promotion activities in and reservation. Telecommunication service providers can also be used for promotional activities. Market overview. The Bangladeshi tea market is growing rapidly. Varieties of teas from all over the world under one roof is not available in the city. This is a rare business. So here is a graph. If we analyze this graph, we can see the world tea business. So hot tea, iced tea, cool tea, etc. In this bar is showing, and this amount is giving sales by year in Bangladesh or in terms of world. Differentiation with low price idea is new. So the business starts to differentiate itself. Rigorous advertisement and selling. Tea house will go for large scale advertising activities in different medium. Market segmentation. Tea house has a variety, clear market segmentation for which they have suitable campaign program to attract customer. Expansion. Tea house will go also for expansion manually in Uttara and Dhanmondi. Strategic alliance. Tea house will be forming strategic alliances with some tea garden owners in Sylhet. This is Sylhet area. Now SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. SWOT. Every business we have to analyze its strongness, weakness, opportunity, threat. Internal factors, This is strength and weakness is internal factors. External factors is opportunity and threat. Favorable. Company can change strength and opportunity. And this is favorable. Unfavorable, weakness and threat. So, SWOT analysis, we can one by one we will discuss strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Stay with us. First, strength. Different strength of our business, different prospect of recreation activities. This is the one positive side. Unique environment which is sophisticated as well as traditional. Gulshani Uttara area is a sophisticated area in Bangladesh. Superior quality tea with reasonable price. We will collect tea from garden and we will give the standard quality of tea. Highly adaptable marketing strategies. We will adapt market. Well-trained employee. We will employed well-trained employee. Well-built customer relations shaped by proficient PR department and strong management and effective strategies. So all those are our positive side or strength. Weakness. What is our weakness? Lack of experience in managing both the shop and stage show, because we have no previous experience selling tea. That is our new business. That is our weakness. Also difficulty on organizing stage show regularly. It is also difficult. A high prediction in sales growth rate. Our prediction is very high, but it could not be. Collecting enough financial resource is one sort of barrier or quite troublesome. So those are our negative side or weakness. After that, opportunity. What our opportunity? The company has the opportunity to expand nationally, because in our country there is no alternative. A second one like this sort of business, that is we can expand nationally or different or 64 district in Bangladesh. Though it represents Bengali culture and tradition, it has huge prospect to expand internationally to represent our culture worldwide. We also established another outlet of New York, Australia, Canada, Malaysia, where the Bengali people is available. Saudi Arabia, great attraction for foreigner. Foreigner also choose tea. And threat, highly volatile economy. Our economy is volatile, not stable economy here in Bangladesh. So it is one sort of threat. Political and unreliability in Bangladesh. The political situation is very poor. Highly competitive industry. Different people will establish these types of business soon or make competition. Potential competitors have intense capital investment. Consumer choice and preference are not properly ascertained. That means people will not long time will not choose this sort of tea. Also financial plan. Our financial plan, that means preliminary cost items, taka at first. Remodeling expense is that this amount, rent expenses this amount, insurance premium this amount, legal affairs this amount, office supplies, license, consultancy fees. Total preliminary cost is like this, and total cost of campaign project is this some amount. So these are the financial cost. And income statement is shown here. Revenue, sales discount, net revenue, cost of goods sales, gross profit, operating expense, transportation, depreciation, maintenance, utility expense, security, computer or upgrade cost, cleanup cost, shipment. Total operating expense is some. Administrative expense, office salaries, insurance premium, legal affairs, license, sales and marketing expense, rent, Stationery and office supplies, total administrative expense, earning before interest and tax, interest expense, and earning after tax. Tax is 40%. So net income is like that. So you know, I have got the point and the balance sheet. So balance sheet, here we will discuss asset, current asset, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Cash amount, asset, cash and investment, this will be the asset. Current asset is this amount 2500. Fixed asset, accumulated expense and total expense, total assets, liabilities. So thank you.